There, that's better. The top of my head's cut off. Hi, welcome to FiberLoveDiary. I'm Trisha if we haven't met, and if we have met, welcome back. How are you? I'm good. I am also getting a welcome back because it feels like I haven't filmed in forever. It feels weird. I've been in Arizona while my mom got a new hip and she's doing great. Thank you for asking. I know a bunch of you will want to. You know, the first couple of days are awful, and then after that you're like, thank goodness I did this and got it over with. So she's doing great. The day I left at like 5 a.m. on a Monday. The Paradise Fibers packages for November came. Yes, November. So confused right now. I'm like, what day is it? What time is it? The time changed. Then I changed 2 hours when I went to Arizona, changed back when I came back. I'm so messed up on time and days right now. But everything else is fine. These showed up the first day I was gone. I was actually still driving, and John had gotten home from work and gotten the mail, and he was like, hey, your Paradise packages came. And I was like, oh shoot. But I'm doing it now. I'm sure you guys already know what's in this if you wanted to know, because you know everyone else has already opened theirs by now, but I haven't. So November package, the only thing I know about it is somebody messaged me, one of the people that follows me on TikTok messaged me and asked me to do something specific with this package, but she didn't tell me like anything about what was in it. I really don't know if I will do what she asked, because it isn't something that I would normally want to do. But I mean, I often do things that are like not my normal or out of character spinning character for me, so maybe you just don't know. Before I do, I have to get them open and see what's in here. So I'm gonna point you down. Oh, I almost forgot. You might be wondering why I have two. Paradise sends me one to open and show all of you each month, and then I buy a second one to give away to one of you each month. So at the end of this video, I'll draw a winner for the October package. That's this right here. And if you want to enter to win one of these, all you have to do is comment on a video starting with this one and going all the way through until the next package gets here. It's not that far away because of like the trip that I was on, so don't miss a video. Shorts count, lives count if you put a comment on, but if you're chatting during the lives, the comment picker can't see that, so that actually does not enter you. Anyways, so stay till the end to see who won this one. Don't forget to enter to win one of these, and let's get one open. Here's that sweater I still haven't blocked, by the way, in case you're wondering what you're seeing over there. All right, we're gonna we'll zoom in so we don't have to see the sweater that we didn't block yet. All right, so as you can see, cute packaging. There are some outdoor lights and some, looks like jars full of fireflies. That does kind of tie in with what she asked me to do. Oh my goodness, come on, the scissors must be getting dull. Let's see, maybe we could just, yeah. Okay. Let's pull out our cards. All right, so the theme, I want to make sure I don't get too much glare, is out of the dark. You can see there are some lit candles over here. This is a favorite color for me, so I'm kind of hoping it's in there. Is that wrong? I don't care, because it's true. Okay, so this is what's in it. So let's open up what's in it for, oh my gosh, what? Interesting, very interesting. I probably won't do what she wanted me to do, but maybe, you never know. Okay, so let's just start taking stuff out. There are, looks like 4 colors of merino. Yes, 4 colors of merino, 2 ounces each. This would be the sun. No, this is the gold merino. Look at that. I kind of love this color. I'm not sure I would have ever like picked it out for myself, but that's one of the fun things about the Paradise packages. I get stuff that I might not have picked for myself, and I'm like, oh. Okay, this one is the Sun Merino. So it's a different shade of yellow, and I'm going to show you the two of them next to each other so you can see them both. Really, really cool. Those are so pretty. And then this one, I don't know how to pronounce it. Touareg, I'm gonna guess. I don't know, it could be Touareg. I'm sure someone will correct me. Half the time people correct me and they're wrong, which is hilarious. So it's very dark, like a midnight blue. And as you can see, with the yellow and the gold, very U of M. Haha, Ohio State fans, I got you. Look at that. This color, it looks good against anything, I swear. And then okay, this one's just called the Blue Merino. So I would say this is like a cornflower. Really, this is one of my most favorite colors on the planet. I love it. It's just got a slightly purple hue to it, but it's blue for sure. Beautiful. And then look at all four together. Oh, look at those. Can you see? Yes, you can. See all of them together. That reminds me of Starry Night. I know there was a blend not too long ago. I probably still have it because I don't think I spun it yet. That reminded me of that, but this color combo reminds me of it as well. I love it. Look at it. Of course you're looking at it. What else would you be doing? Okay. Okay, so those are the four colors of the merino. 2 ounces each, so we got 8 ounces of merino, and then we got some Touareg mohair, about half an ounce it says. Oh wow. So this is the same dark blue. You can see it is almost indiscernible which is which. It's just, it's really, really pretty. Really nice and like rich color, rich dark blue, which I love. Beautiful. So we got a half an ounce of that. That's another half, so 8.5 ounces of fiber. And then, oh cool. Some electric yellow Firestar. It says 1 poof. Now, I love Firestar, as you guys know, because I find that when you blend it with things, you really can't feel it. It has the structure more similar to actual hair, and it's dyeable. I have a video on how to dye it whatever colors you want it, and just look at that yellow. Really, really bright. I'm gonna put it on top of all these so you can see. I mean, it will still pop out at you even if it's on the yellow. It's just so bright. Really cool. That's a lot. Holy cow. So onto our notions bag. We got, oh, a tape measure. Oh my gosh. Okay. Y'all know I love these, and you know what is gonna go on my tape measure perfectly? I'm gonna do it right now. If you're a longtime fan, you've seen this FiberLoveDiary sticker. It's a little lamb with like summer flowers outlined on it, and it is absolutely perfect. Wait a minute, I want to center it. On this tape measure. Get out! Look at what I made already! Love it. And I bet some of you have some of these in your stash because these used to come with orders. Now I am currently sending out some of the stickers from the Tour de Fleece this year, but still super cute and super handy. I have these like in every notions bag, all kinds of different bags. I carry these little itty bitty tape measures. This is so handy. Thank you. I love it. Okay, and then cinnamon apple chamomile tea. That sounds really relaxing for winter. It is snowing here right this very moment, so really nice. And then a light bulb progress marker. So I'll show you the light bulb. That's cute. That's fun. I really like this style of progress keeper. I like all the stitch markers we've gotten, but I really like that if it gets stuck on something or whatever, you can just open it up and remove it more easily. I just feel like they're a little bit more versatile. And then a US sticker, a cute tiny one. Look how cute and tiny that little sticker is. I love that. Oh my gosh, I wish I had another one so I could use it. You guys know I don't use my stickers. All right, so they always give us an idea of something that we can do with the fibers. Personally, this probably is more like what I would want to do. They blended these fibers on a blending board. They made like a gradient effect, kind of. Okay, so you can see which fibers they blended changed up what they got, which is really kind of interesting, kind of fun. And then they spun it, showed an example of that. Okay, so it says, this month I was feeling inspired by the contrast of the seasons and how dark the winter can be. I love it. Then it talks about like how cozy this time of year can be. And oh, this is such a sweet letter. The plan with this yarn, what she's making from the box at Paradise, is she's gonna make a Friday Shrug by Jackie Rose. She is gonna chain ply it so that her gradient continues or is preserved, is the way I like to think of it. And that is a really cool way to do it. And it just says, if you'd like to follow the progress, we'll have updates in our Fiber Club exclusive deals area. So that's on their website. If you are part of the Fiber Club, you can always get 10% off. They gave a discount code so that club members can get an extra discount on the dyed Firestar and the dyed mohair. And it also says that you can stack those discounts now in their website, and sometimes you'll get additional discounts from that. So that's really cool. Wow, I feel really spoiled this month. I guess I'm spoiled every month, but I feel extra spoiled this month by Paradise. I'm gonna hold up all the stuff that came with this package. Hang on, this is still, I'm picking up bags too, not on purpose. So this is everything that came. It's over 8.5 ounces of fiber this month. That's a lot of fiber for the club package. And we got this Firestar, which of course you guys know me. And I've talked about this a million times. I put this in bats when I make them. Now Paradise has dyed colors, so that's cool. If you don't want to dye it yourself, now you can buy different colors. Awesome. So thank you, Paradise. I am super excited to get into this package. I have only, well, three if you count on a spindle. I have 3 spinning projects going right now, but one of them will be done soon, so I'll have a free wheel. Who am I kidding? I have a free wheel, but this time of year, I'm a little anxious if I get too many projects going. I will have one on the wheel soon. Thank you so much. Let's go pick a winner for last month. Wait a minute, we gotta count. And it was the 15th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wow. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We gotta look at shorts. Oh my gosh, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so 14, 15, 16. So then we're gonna do, all right, so that means there was 16 videos. We're gonna randomly pick one of the videos. It is 14, which was a live, and it was 14, this one. We're gonna grab a link. Oh, I gotta make it big. Okay, we're gonna grab a link and then go to random comment picker. Okay, we paste the link. Ready? Oh, Vicky, you won. All you have to do is send me your email address, or sorry, your snail mail address to the email FiberLoveDiary@gmail.com. I will mail it out probably tomorrow. I try to do it the next business day. Every once in a while it's the second business day, but it's always really quick. And congratulations. I really appreciate all of you, and I will see you guys soon. Thanks. I love you. Bye.